Hello guys, how are you? Jess here with Digital Empire and welcome to the FBA Roadmap Review, Scam or Legit? We're going to find out today. So thank you for joining me. If you like videos about internet marketing, please press the like button and subscribe today. For full transparency, I am not affiliated with this program, but if you stay till the end, I have a free special gift for you. Okay, so let's just jump right in. In this video, we're going to do three things. We're going to review the facts. We're going to look at, is it real? Is it a scam? And number three, are there other options? And so why listen to me? I am a former international teacher, and as wonderful as it was to travel and to live in different countries teaching, I really lost sight of what I really wanted to be doing, which was just be free with my time to be able to spend with my family. I had some debt. I wanted to buy a home. I wanted to spend more time at home with my kids and my family, and I wanted to have some freedom and time. And really, I also wanted to just break the chains of, family curses of not having enough. And I wanted to be the wealth carrier and change some things in my family. And so to break those things up, I also wanted to get involved in things that were important to me, which gave me even more freedom of my time and being free from 9 to 5, the 9 to 5 gig, and give me purpose, not just in digital marketing products, but also freedom to invest in other projects. There's other things that I do too, like I write some books. I'm an author, and I like to help women in coaching and different things. And so I really care about those things. And so this kind of gave me, a way to leverage all of that. And so that's why I wanted to do this. And so as I did that, I tried everything. And when I mean everything, much to my detriment, unfortunately. But so I had a shop with Amazon and Shopify and crypto and all kinds of various different types of coaching programs that I sort of wish that I wouldn't have gone down the rabbit hole with in terms of money and time. And it just didn't work. It just didn't work. And so I'm just here to give you the facts on some of these things that I've experienced so that you can make a peaceful decision about what you want to do. Okay, so we're going to dive in. All right, so the FBA roadmap. What is it in a nutshell? So it's called arbitrage Amazon selling. There's different things called FBA, which is what I was involved in, FBA. But there's FBA and arbitrage. And so arbitrage, in this course, it will help students to understand the Amazon arbitrage business and how to set it up, what it looks like, the products, the shipping of the products, and more. And it also helps you find products for flipping into online in a nutshell. And so that's what it is, but it's maybe not that easy. So we're just going to go through it really quickly together. Who created this course? Warner Fields. Now, he is a newcomer to the business, and he has reached millions of people and made millions of dollars in the sales and Amazon business after graduating from university in 2023. Besides selling to prominent places like Walmart and Target, he is currently part owner of something called Sell Amp. And this company helps Amazon sellers spot profitable products, among other things. The things that are inside of this course, this is directly a screenshot from his website. So according to his website, it helps you touch on Amazon basics, getting ungated, the categories and major brands and what that actually looks like and what that means, how to get free shipping supplies, in-depth guides to essential software, product finder, tactical arbitrage masterclass, and Amazon account health. There's hours of live sourcing, credit card strategy, storefront talking and sourcing and reverse sourcing, secret high power sourcing strategies, and just basically spotting good products and how to actually put them out in arbitrage. And that's a huge thing when it comes to Amazon because it can be quite competitive. But if you find the right product, then you can also market it. And it goes into all of those details. Now, how does it work exactly? So you're going to purchase the course. You're going to set up your Amazon seller account, which can take a little bit of time. And you also have to organize a business, registering a business, an LLC business. You're going to look for products. You're going to apply your software and searches. And you're going to also need to have some capital for some of the products that you're going to purchase to sell. So the cost. the cost for the FBA roadmap, the basic is $497. The best value would be full access to the roadmap, plus all the other things in flipping the vault. And so with this, you have flips from the vault, and you can hire a VA, a virtual assistant, in the bundle for $597. Of course, that's extra charge to hire the VA, by the way, because the virtual assistants will cost you more money in addition to this $597. The FBA roadmap flips from the vault, and that's just the basic part of the course, and that's $527. And this is for full access and 10 example products for you. So this is according to their website, what's on there. Now, so the pros and cons. So let's go over the pros first. It's this program was invented by a successful founder. He is successful. He started really early in the game in university when he came up with all of his success. Lots of bonuses, plans for funds to invest in. So that's part of the pros. So you have to kind of be really organized when you're doing arbitrage. The cons is that there's very little to no reviews of this program as it's fairly new. So all the feedback that you would get would be on the website, which isn't really impartial, being that it's from the website itself. So they don't really have that many things on Reddit or Trustpilot at the moment. The other con is that the profit margins are thin, and so you need to sell a lot to really make money. And I can definitely testify that that's true. Even in FBA, not just arbitrage, you have to have so many factors that you think about when you are doing something like this, because you have ads that you have to spend money on. There's so many different elements in selling online with Amazon, plus Jeff Bezos gets a percentage. And so by the time it's all said and done, it's a very thin profit margin. It's self-paced versus having a mentor that's one-to-one. Other reviews, as mentioned before, it's a new course, and so there's very little to independent reviews that are available. Is it a scam? This is not a scam. Overall, it's not a scam, but there are a few things to consider before purchasing. The verdict is that there's very little to no reviews on this product. The profit margins are thin, and you need to sell a lot of money in order to you have to sell a lot of product in order to make money. And that's also true with FBA, not just arbitrage, by the way. Self-paced versus having a mentor or one-to-one. And is there a faster way to make money? Well, I would say yes, there is. And it's called high-ticket affiliate marketing. And it's a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. So some of the benefits of this is that it's one of the easiest business models to actually start. There's no need to create your own product like you would do in this case. There's no customer service. There's no stock to keep. There's no need to hire staff, and there's no need to automate your business and earning potential. So it will come literally, especially when you buy high ticket affiliate marketing, it's reoccurring residuals each month. It's basically you're gathering a paycheck each month from that product. That's quite nice. You can also work on your own schedule, work anywhere you want. It's a low startup cost. You can quit your 9-to-5 or work it alongside a full-time job. You can create passive income and financial freedom. How? You say, boom, let's talk about it. So your free gift, here's your free gift. And here it says that it's the 3 proven steps to quitting your 9-to-5 job with high-ticket affiliate marketing. You can see the screenshot here. You just you can sign on and get instant access, and you can download your free book. And it's 3 steps to leaving the rat race, y'all. It's the best thing ever. So I am so glad that you joined me for this presentation. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next Digital Empire. Thank you, and have a great day, guys. Bye.